Okay, hello everyone. So I will be giving you some information on how to use an educational tool that is on the internet that I think can be very beneficial for many different age groups. I personally have used it as a student in my undergraduate and now graduate degrees, and I've really enjoyed using it. And think it's a positive way to create discussions virtually. But I've also seen fourth graders use it in one of my practicums, and they all really enjoyed it. And I think they just love getting to use technology. So this was really exciting for them. So now I'm going to show you a little bit about Flip. So Flip, basically, you can create discussion boards. And have students upload video commentaries about a certain topic that you have chosen. So, if your students don't have an account, the first step, or for if you don't have an account, the first step is going to be to sign up and create an account. So I'm going to log in with Google, but you can create an account with an email. You can log in with Google. You can do Microsoft. You can do several different things. Let's do Google. So as you can see, I've already created a group, a class. So let's start with, I'll show you the different tools we can use on the camera first. So basically, like I said, you're using videos to create discussion posts instead of typing things out. So once this loads, I'll show you the camera. So you video yourself here. You can upload a background. You can put different lenses on it. You can do just audio. You can do a video. You can do text. If you look over here in the right corner, you can do text. You can draw. You can do stickers, which I think are pretty fun. Obviously, I've used the dog recently. So he should pop up here in a minute. But I just think there's lots of different options also, which is a huge perk about Flip. You can do many, many different things with the videos, but now I'm going to show you how to upload it into an assignment. Okay, so from an educator standpoint, you have the option to create a group. So obviously, I already have created Miss Harris's fourth grade class. It's super easy to create a group. You can create a group or join a group. So we'll do create a group. And you get to pick what level, what grade level you're doing. Because like I said, this is, I feel like, a very beneficial app to many, many different age groups. So we'll title this Miss Harris's Classroom. You can change the background. There's all kinds of, this one's fun. Looks like a celebration. So then it goes through and it gives you a code. So your students can type in this code and join your Flip, which is an easy option. You can also copy the link and send it in an email, and you just click on it and automatically will join you. You can send it through Google Classroom. There's plenty of options, which I also love about Flip. So let's explore a little more. So here are some topics that it just throws out there. So we'll say we're going to do a topic titled, Tell Me One Thing That You Have Learned from About Life Cycles. So after finishing a unit, you could do kind of a check-in with your students to see what they might where their comprehension levels might be. You could do this as an introduction, like I've done for many classes. You could, the options are endless for your topics. So I'm going to do post topic. And you can share this individual topic also with a link. So here, your students will post their discussion videos, which I love because you can actually see. I feel like through just text, it's hard to kind of see the emotion or the annotation behind different texts and things at times. So when you get to see a video and hear people's voice and their inflections and things like that, I think that can be very beneficial. So as a student, they'll see the record button and they'll be able to go into their account and make a little video. I think you have 2 minutes 2 minutes is the typical length that you can make for a topic post. You can do video, audio. We've been through the different things that you can add over here. And then your students will post, and this, you'll have access to all of the students' videos, but the students can also watch each other's videos and comment on them. And I think this is a really fun part of a virtual activity, is being able to interact with your classmates. And even though it might not be in person, you're still getting to interact with them and build connections and other things. Looks like we're having a little bit of trouble loading, but overall, I just think that Flip is a great way to enhance a discussion board. And I think it is very beneficial to many different age groups, from elementary students to adults. I think that this can be beneficial in many different ways and for many different topics. So I'm so excited to use this in my classroom, and just whenever I get the opportunity. So thank you for tuning in.